Let's prove the trigonometric identity that 1 over cosine squared a minus 1 over cotangent squared a equals 1. To understand this proof better, let's first visualize these trigonometric functions on the unit circle. Here we have our unit circle, and let's mark an angle A. From this angle, we can see the cosine, which is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, and the cotangent, which is the adjacent side divided by the opposite side. Now, let's solve this step by step. First, let's look at the left side of our equation. We have 1 over cosine squared, a minus 1 over cotangent squared, A. The first term, 1 over cosine squared, A, is the definition of secant squared A. Let's make that substitution. For the second term, recall that 1 over cotangent squared is equal to tangent squared. This is because tangent and cotangent are reciprocals of each other, and now we've reached a fundamental trigonometric identity. Secant squared minus tangent squared equals 1. Therefore, we have proven that 1 over cosine squared a minus 1 over cotangent squared A equals 1. This proof demonstrates how understanding fundamental trigonometric identities and relationships can help us solve complex-looking equations.